I'm Rudy Hoogkamp, engineer at the Dutch press manufacturer. As printer of flexible packaging, you are probably unknown to the offset printing process. In this episode, I will summarize the benefits of using a web offset printing press to print flexible packaging in comparison with the other printing techniques, which are used in the market.
In the first episode, I explained the principles of offset and gave you a close look at the printing process. In the second episode, I showed you the pre-press process of offset with all the aspects of preparing a print job. In this episode, we will compare the different printing techniques on terms of costs, sustainability and print quality. What about the cost of offset? Most people consider offset printing presses to be the most expensive presses. In terms of purchase prices, yes, but they forget about some important expenses. When it comes to the total cost of usage, they will be surprised by the opposite. Offset is beneficial on order sizes between 1000 and 100,000 square meter. The total preparation time is getting more important because brand owners change their packages more frequently and the order sizes are declining. Offset offers you quicker job changes and a better time to market than flexo or gravure. Therefore, offset will reduce your downtime and will cut costs in the pre-press process. For example, for every print job, the printer needs to produce an offset printing plate. Compared to flexo, the production of an offset plate is 10 times lower in cost. When it comes to making a gravure cylinder, the offset plate is even 100 times lower in cost. Also in terms of the preparation time, as seen in the last episode, the process of producing an offset plate will only take an hour. With flexo plates, you will need a day for this process. The production of a gravure cylinder will even take you a week.
Let me introduce you to Tallo Web Offset Press. This press was used as a show model in the last episode. In addition to the cost advantage of offset in general, I will now tell you about the benefits of the Tallo printing press.
A big advantage of Tallo is the modular design, which provides you much flexibility. It is possible to add different printing units to the machine layout. For example, a flexo, gravure and digital units can be easily adapted to the printing press configuration. Talking about environmental issues, as flexographic printer, you will probably think about the problems of using solvents. There are some ways to recycle solvents, for example by burning them, to provide new energy. But as sustainability gets more important, it's more and more time to think about new opportunities and compare other options. Offset is such an option to think about. It's a sustainable alternative because it enables you to print your jobs without making use of solvents. Looking at the Tallo printing press, the ability to run the web backwards enables you to cut costs in the waste of your material.
The company that I work for has more than 40 years of web offset experience and was a pioneer in using offset for flexible materials back in the days. Before Tallo, the former Drent Goebel engineers developed the VSOP, which was already used by many companies worldwide to print a flexible packaging. Digipress is the only company that built an offset machine for flexible packaging by using 20 years of experience with web offset on film. I hope that you've learned more about web offset by watching all the episodes. If you're still searching for more information about web offset, you can contact me or one of my colleagues at Digipress. We as service company are perfectly capable to help you with your transition to offset.